It was way back in 2007, 2008 when I came across an opening in CSSD at the Asian Heart Institute in Mumbai. So I was totally unaware about the ways in which this department functions, what are its activities, but I had a rough idea that it works for operation theatre. That's it, nothing else. So I had to shift my profession from a pharmaceutical industry to a hospital industry. So when I was in SIPLA, what we used to do is we used to check the quality of the medicine and ensure that the medicine passes all the required standards as per the British, Indian and USP pharmacopoeias before it has been post-marketed. So I was just thinking, for a medicine, there are so many checkpoints, but in an hospital industry, and into an operation theater, there would be how many checkpoints? So this drew my attention. Also, in management, there is a common saying: quality is nothing but customer satisfaction. So, in a hospital, customer is our patient, and we too see them in person. And this totally drew my attention that yes, CSSD is the heart of the hospital and it caters to everyone practically in the hospital. So this was the main point which drew my interest and more attention in joining the Central Sterile Processing Department. Tell you, CSSD is a department where you need to utilize all your skills, be it your physical, emotional, or intellectual. I remember when I was in Asian Heart Institute, we had a very big old model of machine fabric. So we had to put actually a lot of strength, to remove the trolley, loading, unloading, and the heaviest set was the ortho ones. And to tell you, in that time, I was the only married girl, along working with the 12 boys in the department. But I'm happy that none of the boys helped me, and that in turn gave me an opportunity to work and get into the real pattern of working in CSSD. It gave me the real strength. Also, one nice incident was like we used to have a healthy competition of gown folding at that time, and that too with accuracy. So this was something which really drew your attention, like you're using your skill, your strength, and putting it right and doing it the better way. Also, our seniors have always been teaching us that whenever you're cleaning any set, the main thing is the way you frame your mind, your thinking. That clean in such a way that the instruments would be used on your own relative. So that was an amazing thing. Also, it is very nice to see that CSSD field is improving day by day and taking up the pace. Also, the accreditation nowadays have CSSD as their main domain, or probably one of the main domain of inspection. So CSSD field is really growing up. So basically, we are utilizing all our mental, physical, emotional, and intellectual skill. And I see that it will grow in a far more better level in future. Okay. When just going back to my thing, when I was working in Asian Heart Institute, Ma'am Disha was there, and she's very good at management. So I could learn that from her. Second, came into when I joined Bhakti Vedant was Madam Nandini when she had just come here for visit and giving a lecture. So that time she introduced me to the field of giving lectures, and she gave me an opportunity basically to talk and orate a lot of students there. So then I entered into the HSSA team, as you all know. It's a great association working for the sterile processing services, and there I met all our stalwarts, all our leaders in the CSSD fraternity. So you can learn each and everything from all of them. And for my team, what I can tell is when you head a department, you always need to have that kind of leadership where you guide your subordinates to reach up to the higher level. So need to let my team know that without them, I am nothing and they are my strength. And I alone cannot run my department. So at times when it need correction, it is just to see them grow one level up. And you need to work together as a team, and we all are as a family, a big CSSD family, working together to break the chain of infection. Actually, when you're working in CSSD, it gives you an aura of responsibility. That is the first thing. It makes you feel connected to the patient, and you are an instrumental in the patient well-being. So that is the best part of being a backstage worker. Probably the backstage person always is a silent one, but he gets a lot of blessings, because when the show is successful, everybody knows it's the backstage workers who take a lot of benefit, and they are blessed. The one thing I would like to change in CSSD is, if I was given an opportunity, is to increase the awareness about the publication in CSSD. As you can see, publications in the field of CSSD from India are far more lesser. So there is now is the time where we need to increase a lot of publications from the Indian side. Also, I have a desire to have a dedicated government approved CSSD certificate course or a diploma course, so that this stream will be valued in the future. Finally, we are an invisible heart of the hospital, caring and supporting the patient without their knowledge. So, if we have all the things, as the field of CSSD will grow, a lot of technologies will come into picture. But I feel the publications and the government approved courses, if that picks up a pace, I think CSSD is far less than approaching the pinnacle. And we will be one of the department which will have a lot of importance. And as I had mentioned in my earlier point also, that the accreditation bodies also have CSSD as one of their domain for inspection. Also, there is a point like we feel CSSD is an underrated department. Always whenever there is an infection, or you need to investigate about a patient, first thing comes to everybody's mind is, Are Baba, is the set properly cleaned? you know but when you have all your documents ready, if you have all the records ready, so I think we can always tell, and we can give that justification like all the processes was done properly, and that will give an assurance, satisfaction to the doctor. Yes, I have a good strong backup team in the form of CSSD. So I think our CSSD is getting awareness day by day, and once we have those government courses, publication, a lot of awareness in the medium of webinars and trainings, I think we can go ahead. So, of lately, presenting scientific papers in various conferences, in the national, international conferences, is the latest addition to the hobby list. Because as I'm telling, publication holds a lot of importance. Through one publication, you can touch thousands, and maybe many more than that number of people just by reading. So that is the latest addition to my hobby list. Apart from that, I like to play cricket. That has been my hobby right from childhood, and I also play tabla and mridanga, and I do listen to a good music.